traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to analyze the Bitcoin on 15-minute time frame on 12th of March 2023 and show you some positions that you can make and see what's gonna happen next on it. Then I'm gonna show you the positions that I made yesterday on Bitcoin. So let's get started. But before we start the video, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you. Then let's start now. As you can see in the previous video, I told you that we have this trend line broken. We could enter here, put our stop loss somewhere safe like here or even here below this candle and look for risk reward 2, which it gave us our reward here, okay? But after that it started again going up and it gave us something around 5, okay? And also, yeah, we right now on the price we do have a range placed like this. The price is going up and down and going up and down like this. We can have some positions by support and resistances, not breakouts. You know, as you can see, this breakout here made a stop loss to me, but not important. Yeah, you can see if we have any nice candles on this support area here or even here, if you extend it like this, okay, it is actually near that, not important. We can enter buy positions here if we see a nice candle like this one, a pin bar like this, or a nice green candle like this one here. And we can also enter sell positions on this one here and also on this resistance line. It's about 15-minute time frame. Let's switch to 1 hour time frame. That we have this trend line. With the break out of that trend line, we can go for sell positions. And actually, let me switch to daily time frame. Then after that, we can fall until this support area here. And yeah, I can. Right now, I don't believe the price actually can. Let me hide all of these trend lines. I don't believe the price starts just going up from here, okay? It might be something like this one here. The price dropped, okay, after that it made some corrections here like this. It may be something like that, okay? And after that again it can start falling with a trend line, with a break of a trend line like this one. Look, you see that? Okay, it starts falling. Maybe this trend line here. Let me switch to 4 hour time frame. Maybe the break of this trend line can be a sell position for us to reach this level, and also we can close our position on this level here on $18,300 here. And if we see some nice candles on 4 hour time frame or 1 hour or at the daily time frames, we can look for buy positions on this level and make our profits and make our positions and such things. Yeah, this is all about today's analysis. Thank you for watching this part. Let's move to the next part. Welcome back, traders. As you can see, here we are on the Bitcoin chart, 5-minute time frame. Then we're gonna see the positions that I made on 11th of March 2023. So as you can see, on the first position I do have a, actually the price has a trend line. Bitcoin has a trend line here, broken with this green candle. We could enter buy position here, put our stop loss below the candle or somewhere safer here or even here or even here. Very safe place, but you know, makes your reward actually less than 2. It's gonna be something around 1. But it gave us something around 5 here if we put our stop loss below the candle. And yeah, if you might say this is a, you know, a bad timing, okay, 3.50 or something like that, okay, 3:50 a.m. But yeah, you are true, because I am asleep also here, okay? But I show these positions for education, okay, for learning them, for seeing and understanding what's going on chart, and enter buy or sell positions in the future based on these trend lines and support and resistance and some patterns. Okay, on the second position we do have this trend line. Let me just zoom in a bit. You can see with 3 touches we have this trend line with 3 touches. On the fourth time it is broken here, we could enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle, and it gave us something around 2 here. Okay, on the third position we have this trend line with 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touches. On the fifth time it is broken here, we could enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle, and it gave us something around 11 on here. Okay, we could also enter a sell position on this one too. If we missed this here, okay, we could enter here too. Let me clean it that we can see better. We could enter here too. The price started falling and made a correction like this, and also we have this trend line and it is broken here. We could risk on it and go for sell positions here too. On the trade 4, you can see we had a support line from yesterday. As you can see, the price actually dropped this much until this level and touched an invisible actually area and started going up, and again touched that level and again went up. Okay, it is also a resistance here, small resistance here too. We draw this support area. In the future the price reacts to that level. This support area can be our target of this position or this one as well, but we could also go for a reverse position like this with this nice candle we see on the support area. Okay, this green candle, a very nice candle. We can risk on it and enter buy position here, put our stop loss below the candle, and it gives us something around 2.3 here. On the trade 5 we have this long trend line here actually acting as a support. The price touched this level, this trend line with these candles. After that we see a trend line here with several touches. After that it is broken with this green candle. We could enter buy a position, put our stop loss somewhere safe, or even here or even here, and look for risk reward 2, which it gives us something around 4.8. On the trade 6 we did have this trend line broken here or here. Okay, we could enter here, put our stop loss somewhere safe, or even here, and look for risk reward 2, which it gives us something around 3 here. On the last position we did have this small trend line with several touches, actually 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touches, 5, 6 touches. On the 7th time it is broken here, we could enter buy position, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gave us something around 2.5 here. And the day finishes here, as you can see, this separator line. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you want some analysis about some coins or whatever, please tell me in the comments. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.